Can I sell my house during foreclosure?
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, we've had it up to the day before the actual foreclosure date.
Oh, wow.
And we've been able to call and talk to the lawyers that are handling the foreclosure and getting them to put a stay because we were going to buy it and the person foreclosing was going to get paid off. So yeah, you can absolutely sell your home while you're in foreclosure. Yeah.
How does the process work when I'm selling my house to Evervest Home Buyers?
Well, it's actually really simple. So you're going to contact us, and we're out there. So you can either call us. Phone number is 314-730-0366. If you don't get us there, you can obviously get us online. We have a website. We have all kinds of multiple contact forms in there that you can get us. But after you do get a hold of us, you're going to call or contact. You're going to talk to me. I'm going to come out and take a look at the house if you're allowing me to. And then the walkthrough is going to take 30 to 45 minutes unless you have a lot of questions or you decide you want to do something there on the spot. There's no pressure. I can call you later. You can get other offers if you want. My offer's almost always the highest, but I try my best to be there. And then after that walkthrough, I have decades of experience, so it's not an intrusive walkthrough. I'm not really looking at whether the house is dirty or whatever else. I'm just looking at the actual house, talking with you, trying to find out what your situation is, what you're trying to accomplish. You're trying to accomplish a quick close, one that's 30 days out. Do you want to stay in the house after the closing? And then I will make you an offer. And it's going to be a cash offer. I'm going to buy it as is. I'm not going to ask you to make any repairs, offer any inspections. There's no real estate fees. I'm a licensed broker, but there's no fees involved. We'll pay the normal closing costs at the title company, and we're going to handle all the paperwork. So even if you've never sold a home before in your life, I'm going to make it as easy as I can for you. Basically, I have a very simple contract. We'll sign that. We take over from there, and all you have to worry about is getting whatever out you want out of the house, and, moving on.